नमस्कार. जय श्रीकृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंदा. Enunciating text 40, text 41, text 42, and text 43 of chapter 12, creation of the Kumaras and others of third canto, the status quo of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 40. षोडशोक्तौ पूर्ववक्त्रात् पुरुष्यग निष्ठु तावथ आप्तोरयामातिरात्रौ च वाजपेयम sagosavam. All the different varieties of fire sacrifices, shodashi, uktha, purishi, agnistom, aptoryam, atiratra, vajpeya, and gosava became manifested from the eastern mouth of Brahma. Text 41. Vidyadanam tapah satyam dharmasyeti padani च आश्रमांश यथा संख्यम सृजत सह वृत्तिभिः. Education, charity, penance and truth are said to be the four legs of religion, and to learn this there are four orders of life with different classifications of castes according to vocation. Brahma created all these in systematic order. The nucleus of the four social orders, brahmacharya or student life, gruhastha or household family life, vanaprastha or retired life for practicing penance, and sannyas or renounced life for preaching the truth, is the four legs of religion. The vocational divisions are the Brahman or the intelligent class, the Kshatriyas or administrative class, the Vaishyas or mercantile productive class, and the Shudras or general laborer class who have no specific qualifications. All these were systematically planned and created by Brahma for the regular promotion of self-realization. Student life is meant for acquiring the best education. Household family life is meant for gratifying the senses, performed provided with a charitable disposition of mind. Retirement from household life is practice for penance or advancement in spiritual life, and renounced life is meant for preaching the absolute truth to the people in general. The combined actions of all members of society make the whole situation favorable for the upliftment of the mission of human life. The beginning of the social institution is based on education meant for purifying the animal propensities of the human being. The highest purificatory process is knowledge of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the purest of the pure. Text 42. Savitram Prajapatyam cha Brahmama chatha bruhattatha varta sanchaya shalina shiloncha iti vai gruhe. Then the thread ceremony for the twice born was inaugurated, as were the rules to be followed for at least 1 year after acceptance of the Vedas, rules for observing complete abstinence from sex life, vocations in terms of Vedic injunctions, various professional duties in household life, and the method of maintaining a livelihood without anyone's cooperation by picking up rejected grains. During student life, the brahmacharis were given full instructions about the importance of the human form of life. Thus, the basic education was designed to encourage the student in becoming free from family encumbrances. Only students unable to accept such a vow in life were allowed to go home and marry a suitable wife. Otherwise, the student would remain a permanent brahmachari, observing complete abstinence from sex life for his whole life. It all depended on the quality of the student's training. We had the opportunity to meet an avowed brahmachari in the personality of our spiritual master Om Vishnupad Shri Srimad Bhakti Siddhanta Goswami Maharaj. Such a great soul is called a Naishthika Brahmachari. Text 43. Vai Khanasa Valakhilyo Dumbaraha Fenapa Vane Nyase Kutichakah Purvam Bahavodo Hamsa Nishkriyau. The four divisions of the retired life are the Vaikhansa, Valkhilyas, Audumbarus, and Phaenopus. The four divisions of the renounced order of life are the Kutichakas, Bahobodas, Hamsas, and Nishkriyas. All these were manifested from Brahma. The Varnashrama Dharma, or the institution of the four divisions and four orders of social and spiritual life, is not a new invention of the modern age as proposed by the less intelligent. It is an institution established by Brahma from the beginning of the creation. This is also confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita 4.13. Chaturvarnyam Maya Srushtam Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare.